Have you ever noticed how a single sentence can completely flip a woman's emotions? One word can spark desire, while another can kill attraction instantly. Most guys think they need money, looks, or status to get a woman hooked. But here's the truth: words are weapons. The right 5 phrases, spoken at the right time, can bypass her logical brain and trigger pure craving for you. And in this video, I'm going to break down the 5 psychological phrases that make you unforgettable to any woman. Stay with me, because the last one is so powerful. It can literally turn indifference into desire. What I'm about to share isn't pickup lines. These are psychology-backed conversation triggers that hit deep emotional switches. If you use them right, you'll never have to chase a woman again. She'll lean into you, she'll feel that magnetic pull, and she'll wonder, why can't I stop thinking about him? Phrase number 1, you're not like everyone else. Sounds simple, right? But here's why it works. Women are constantly compared, judged, and categorized. When you tell her, you're not like everyone else, you're planting a seed in her subconscious that says, I see something rare in you. It separates you from the average guy who just compliments her looks. For example, instead of saying, you're beautiful, say, I like the way you see the world. You're not like everyone else. See the difference? One is surface level. The other makes her feel unique, special, chosen. And when a woman feels chosen, attraction skyrockets. Phrase number 2, I don't give my time easily. Most men chase. They throw attention around like it's free candy. But high-value men, they make time feel rare. When you say, I don't give my time easily, you're communicating scarcity. It tells her, if you're in my space, it means you've earned it. And that flips the script. She stops thinking, do I like him? And starts thinking, do I deserve him? Psychology 101, scarcity creates value. So when you show her that your time is precious, she'll naturally want more of it. Phrase number 3, you'd get me in trouble. This one is playful, flirty, and dangerous in the best way. When you say, you'd get me in trouble, you're creating a fun tension. You're hinting at mischief, at chemistry, at a spark she can't ignore. For example, if she teases you or says something bold, lean back, smirk, and say, careful, you'd get me in trouble. It shifts the energy from friendly to flirtatious, without being needy. Women love the thrill of a man who can tease them while staying in control. And this phrase is the perfect tool for that. Phrase number 4, I like that about you. Most men give compliments like participation trophies, nice hair, pretty dress, you're hot. But when you say, I like that about you, it's specific, personal, and powerful. For example, she tells you she wakes up early to work out. Instead of saying, cool, say, I like that about you. You've got discipline most people don't. Now she feels seen, appreciated, respected. This phrase is so magnetic because it rewards her personality, not just her appearance. Phrase number 5, I'll remember this about you. This one is nuclear level powerful. Why? Because memory equals meaning. When you say, I'll remember this about you, you're telling her, you just left a mark on me. It makes her feel unforgettable. And when a woman feels unforgettable in your eyes, she starts craving your validation more. For example, she laughs at something weird or quirky she does. You lean in and say, I'll remember this about you. That's not just words, it's imprinting. It locks you into her memory, and she'll replay it long after you've walked away. Now, let me explain something important. These phrases aren't magic spells. They work because they target 3 deep psychological triggers. Scarcity, when your time and attention are rare, she values it. Recognition, when you notice her uniqueness, she feels chosen. Combine these triggers, and you create emotional gravity. She starts leaning in. She invests more. She feels pulled toward you without knowing why. Now listen carefully. Don't use these phrases like a script. If you say them without confidence, without the right tone, they'll fall flat. The key is authentic delivery. Say them when they naturally fit the moment. And most importantly, mean them. Because a woman can sense when you're faking it. But when you're grounded, calm, and sure of yourself, these words hit like lightning. So let's recap real quick. You're not like everyone else. Uniqueness. I don't give my time easily. Scarcity. You'd get me in trouble. Playful tension. I like that about you. Recognition. I'll remember this about you. Imprinting. These 5 phrases aren't just words. They're psychological triggers that tap into the deepest parts of attraction. And once you master them, you'll notice something powerful. You'll stop chasing women. They'll start chasing you. Because attraction isn't about looks, money, or status. It's about psychology. It's about the way you make her feel. And if you can make her feel unique, chosen, playful, and unforgettable, you become the man she can't resist. If you found value in this video, hit that like button. It tells me to keep dropping these psychology secrets for you. And subscribe to Silent Tribe, because here, we don't just talk about dating. We talk about mastering the mind, controlling energy, and becoming the man every woman desires and every man respects. I'll see you in the next one.